Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. I'm excited to dive into today's topic, the world of technology. I'm sure you know my name now, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our tech-related content. Today, I want us to talk about technology, as most our upcoming videos will be talking around technology. So, what is technology? Well, in simple terms, it's the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes. It's the tools, devices, processes, and systems that make our modern world possible. Historical perspective. Let's start with a quick journey through history. Technology has been evolving for centuries, from the invention of the wheel to the game-changing printing press, steam engines, and electricity. These innovations shape the world as we know it. Technology is all around us, isn't it? Just look at how it's integrated into our daily lives, from smartphones and the internet that keep us connected, to the cars we drive, the entertainment we enjoy, and even the medical advancements that save lives. Now, why does technology matter so much? Well, it's not just about gadgets and gizmos. Technology helps us solve problems, work more efficiently, and improve our quality of life. It's revolutionized industries, creating new opportunities and possibilities. There are different types of technology out there. You've got information technology, biotechnology, communication technology, and more. Let me break down each type with some examples. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. We also need to talk about the challenges. Technology can raise concerns about privacy, job displacement, and environmental impacts. That's why responsible and ethical use of tech is crucial. Now, what's on the horizon? Well, brace yourselves because there's some seriously exciting stuff coming up. We're talking about artificial intelligence, quantum computing, renewable energy, and more. The future of technology is dazzling. To wrap it up, technology is the beating heart of our modern world. It's everywhere. It's essential, and it's evolving faster than ever. I hope this introduction gave you a glimpse into the incredible world of tech. Remember to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our upcoming tech adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.